Hi, welcome. Your presentation tool is now your Carousel Maker too. If you used Decktopus AI before, you know the presentations and the AI part. Now, same engine builds carousels. Same brand, same speed, one new format. Let me show you how you can create carousels with Decktopus AI. Click on Create with AI. After that, click on Carousel. Now here you can just give a brief idea, like make a carousel about, let's use the prompt same with one of the videos I used, importance of presentations in career. That can be enough. Also, you can choose the cards, like how many cards do you want in your carousel, 1 to 4, 5 to 9, or 10 to 14, or you can just write from here and click on set. Also, it says how much credit it will consume. Also, you can use as much as detailed your prompt as you want. Like you can just write a long prompt for your carousel, or you can upload by clicking here. I'm gonna show that in another use case video, but for this video's sake, let's just use this one. I wanted to create with AI. Also, you can import your branding from just website URL. As you can see, it built the carousel outline. You can just click here and review them, or you can change something you want to change it, regenerate it, or make it concise, or expand it. I wanted 7 cards and it gave me 7 cards. And I click on generate carousel, waiting a little bit. In the meantime, you can get your coffee or tea. I'm just gonna get my tea. And voila, I got my tea and my carousel is ready. Let's see, presentations can change how fast your career grows. Could be right. And looking nice. Just like I wanted, just 7 cards. But if you want to change something, you can edit with AR or edit text manually. And after you got what you want exactly, choose the format you want. You can choose PDF for LinkedIn, or you can choose PNG for other social media platforms like Instagram. And I want to share this on Instagram, so I'm gonna just choose PNG. And that's it. That's how you can make carousels with Decktopus AI. See you on another video. Link in the caption. What are you waiting for?